Now let us discuss some questions based on Bernoulli's equation. The first question is dy by dx minus y into tan x, which is equal to minus y square into sec x. So how to solve this equation, this Bernoulli's equation? What is the first step? You have to divide the entire equation by the coefficient of q. Q means on right hand side it will be there. So q means here sec x, and the coefficient of sec x is minus y square. So you have to divide the entire equation by minus y square. So if you divide the entire equation by minus y square, this will be what? Minus 1 by y square into dy by dx plus 10 x into y by y square, that means 1 by y, which is equal to sec x. This is the first step. Yes. What is the second step? Put the coefficient of p is equal to z. P means this is p here. So what is the coefficient of tan x here? 1 by y. So let 1 by y, this is equal to z. मैं जो बोला था substitute करने के बाद differentiate करना है with respect to x. Now if you differentiate it both sides with respect to x, this will be what? Minus 1 by y square into dy by dx, which is equal to dz by dx. And you can see minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is there in this equation. So we can replace the first term by dz by dx plus tan x into z, which is equal to sec x. Now this is a completely linear differential equation of type 1. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Of course here y is not there. Now here z, variable z is there. So you can say dz by dx plus tan x into z, this is equal to sec x. Now how to solve the linear differential equation? You know how to solve. First identify the values of p and q. So here p is tan x, q is sec x. Find out the integrating factor. If integrating factor, that is e to the power integration p dx. P is here tan x, integration tan x dx. This is equal to e to the power integration tan x, we all know, log mod sec x, and e to the power log mod sec x is sec x only. So integrating factor मिल गया sec x. Therefore the required general solution, what is the formula? General solution formula is, we all know, y into integrating factor, this is equal to integration q into integrating factor whole into dx plus c. Yes, this is the general solution formula. Yesterday I have discussed all these things. Okay, but in this equation, since variable y is not there, क्या है y के जगह में z, so replace y by z. So the required general solution is z into integrating factor. What is integrating factor here? Sec x. Z into sec x, this is equal to integration q. What is the value of q? Q is sec x. Q into if, that is integrating factor, that is sec x into sec x, sec square x dx. So which implies z into sec x, this is equal to integration sec square x, we all know, tan x plus c. Okay, and after that don't forget to replace this z, because this equation does not contain the variable z. In this equation variable y and x are there. So replace this z. Z equal to क्या assume किया था? 1 by y. So 1 by y into sec x, this is equal to tan x plus c, which is the required general solution, or you can say the solution of this Bernoulli's equation. So in this way we can solve the Bernoulli's equation, right? First of all, you have to convert the equation in linear differential form, and then only you can solve. One more example I am going to explain now. Take the next question. Like the first question, I will not explain the whole question in the next example. Okay, just I will explain up to linear differential equation part, and then automatically you can easily solve. Okay, so the next question is solve dy by dx plus cot x into y, which is equal to y square into sin square x. So why I am explaining almost similar type of question, almost similar ही है. यहाँ पे tan x था, यहाँ पे cot x है, यहाँ पे sec x था, यहाँ पे sin square x है, यहाँ पे कोफिशिएंट माइनस y square था, यहाँ पे y square लिया. ऑलमोस्ट सेम टाइप, बट देयर इज वन ट्विस्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, राइट? क्वेश्चन देखने में ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है ये क्वेश्चन में. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन. डिवाइड द एंटायर इक्वेशन बाय व्हाट? y square. So this will be 1 by y square into dy by dx. This is plus cot x into 1 by y, which is equal to sin square x. Okay? But जनरली बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन में क्या होता है? सेकेंड स्टेप के बाद, मतलब ये स्टेप के बाद क्या करना पड़ता है? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ cot x is 1 by y. You have to consider 1 by y equal to z, right? But after differentiation we'll get minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. If you differentiate both sides with respect to x, you will get minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. But here minus sign is not there, right? So that's why before going for substitution, you multiply the entire equation by minus sign. So if we multiply the entire equation by minus sign, this will be what? Minus 1 by y square into dy by dx minus cot x into 1 by y. This is equal to minus sin square x. Okay. Now if I put 1 by y is equal to z, if I put 1 by y is equal to z, then only we'll get, after differentiation we'll get minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. This is equal to dz by dx. Now you can see minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is there in this equation. So now we can replace the first term of the equation by dz by dx minus cot x into z, which is equal to minus sin square x. Okay? और you can say, you can write, because this is not linear differential equation, बीच में प्लस साइन होना चाहिए, तो माइनस यहाँ पे रख देने से भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. dz by dx प्लस ऑफ माइनस cot x into z, which is equal to minus sin square x. तो ये हो गया linear differential equation of type 1. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Of course here y is not there, variable z is there. So after this you have to solve in this way. You have to find the integrating factor and then the required general solution. Okay, so in this way we can solve a Bernoulli's equation question, which is important. Bernoulli's equation is important for objective purpose. Okay, an equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n, where n is not equal to 0 and 1, is called Bernoulli's equation. And p and q are what? Functions in x only, or you can say p and q are constants also. Okay. Some more questions I will discuss in the next class. Thank you for today.